Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna go ahead and learn about how to fix Monopoly Code invite friends not working. So if you're actually having some issues with your invite friends and you're not actually seeing it work, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So there might be some certain issues that is hindering the invite link not working for you. So for you to be able to fix this, you can try out of closing the app and then try reopening it again. Or you could go ahead also and try to head onto the App Store. So click onto App Store and then you're just gonna search in there Monopoly Go. So you need to find the game in there and you should check if there is an update option available onto your end. So that might sometimes fix the issue. But if you go ahead and click onto the Monopoly Go app again and it's still not yet working, you could try and reinstalling the app again. So you could uninstall it and reinstall it back again, or you could turn off your phone and turn back on again to check if it would work, and also try to check the internet connection that you're currently connected in. And that's just basically it on to fixing the issue of our invite link not working. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to your next video.